In this lesson, we are going to focus on solving rational equations with fractions. So let's start with an example. Let's say we have x plus 8 over x is equals to 6. How would you solve this equation? The first thing I would do is multiply both sides by this denominator so that I can clear away the fractions. So x times x is x squared. Now if I multiply 8 over x times x, the variable will be cancelled, and so I'm just left with 8. Next is x. 6 times x is basically 6x. So now what we want to do at this point is subtract both sides by 6. Well, basically just take this term and move this to the left. Since we now have a quadratic equation, it's going to be x squared minus this will be the 6x will become negative since we moved it from right side to the left side. So it's x squared minus 6x plus and put it in a standard form. To solve for x, let's factor the expression what two numbers multiply to 8 but add to the middle coefficient 6. So we have 8, 4, and 2. Well, we know that 4 times 2 is 8, but 4 plus 2 is positive 6. However, if we add two negative signs, negative 4 times negative 2 is still positive 8, and so to factor it's going to be x minus 4 times x minus 2. Now what you need to do is set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So x minus 4 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So in the first equation, if we add 4 to both sides, we can see that x is equals to 4. And in the second one is if we add 2 to both sides, x is equals to 2. This is the answer.